Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Files app on iPhone. And we're going to go ahead and talk about a few things here that I think will be very helpful for you guys. I want you to head over here on the Files app. And the first thing that you're going to see here is the recents. So this is where most likely you'll be heading over. So from here, what I want you to do is basically just go ahead and try to see the navigation options. So you have the recents. If you say, for example, save files from the let's say iCloud or on your iPhone, usually it would appear in here. Another one is the shared here. So if someone else shared some files, you should be able to navigate them here. Lastly, we have browse. I'm going to go ahead and click that one more time, and it's going to browse me, or it's going to lead me to this particular location, which is the main menu. Now, I want you to head over and look for the two things here. You have iCloud Drive. So majority of the time, it usually, or the files usually get saved to iCloud. So you should be able to see them here. You have the on my iPhone also, where files that you have um, in your phone will be here. And the thing about this is that if you have so much files, there could be more folders in here as well. So applications, for example, here have created their own folders, and that is a bit very normal. So yeah, I'm gonna close this one. And if you have connected Google Drive, let's say Outlook, OneDrive, you should be able to see them here as well. As you can see, I have the Google Drive right here. And yeah, let's say for example, we're gonna head over here, and I'm gonna share these two items right here. I can head over and click this dot here, click the select, and then click these two items. And then you have the share button down below, so you can click that one over there. And here at the top, you have the options. So you can go ahead and scroll here, and you should be able to see the recent contacts that you have messaged before, or you have the applications here as well. So I want you to go ahead and click the more here for you to be able to see more applications that you're going to be, or you're planning to share this to. So yeah, those are some of the things that you can do here in the Files app. I want you to go over and explore this further in order for you to see what best fits, or what are the things that you can do more here. There are some more. So if you have any questions, leave comments down below and we'll make sure to answer them for you. I hope you learned something, and that's basically it.